Hey folks, in today's video I wanted to give you a quick look at the HP Omen 25L. We got this in our shop recently. We don't get a lot of these, but they compete with some of the Alienware desktops, maybe some of the iBuyPower, some of the other custom units. But again, this is designed and built by HP. This is the Omen 25L. It's got some nice ambient lighting inside the case, not too much, but enough to give a little bit of ambience to the user. Let me go ahead and take the cover off here, this plexiglass cover, so you can see inside. On the back here there's a internal access switch button. You just press that in and it releases the cover, and then it basically just lifts off there. So yeah, take a look inside here. You can see again the ambient lighting. It's just enough to add a little bit but not over powerful. You can see the processor there. This one has the GeForce GTX, I believe it's the 1660 if I'm not mistaken. And then you can see directly below the power supply. And then if you can look all the way inside there against the motherboard is the SSD, and it is a 500 gigabyte SSD or 512 that comes with this unit. And then if we pan up here, you can see the memory sticks off to the side, off to the right there. Again, this is designed and engineered by HP. And then in the front of the case, you've got two hard drive bays. Comes with a standard, I believe it's a 1 terabyte conventional hard drive there, and you've got room for expansion here on a second one. And inside you can see in the back there the wireless LAN card, the Wi-Fi card all the way in the back there. But overall very simple, laid out very nicely inside here. And let's take a look at the back as well, give you an idea of the ports that you get on this particular unit. So you've got your integrated mic, audio out, and your headphone jack. Then you've got your network USB ports. It does have a USB-C port on the back here. And then down below on your graphics card, of course, you got your HDMI, your display port, your DVI port. Pretty standard there. And again, the power supply is on the bottom there, 500 watts. On the front of the case, it's pretty simple. It's got just a semi or translucent little icon logo there on the front, the Omen logo. A little bit of ambient light coming through there. And then on top we've got some more USB ports, and then a mic and a headphone jack as well. And there's your power button. But again, for the USB-C ports on the back, you just have one there that's on the back. Otherwise everything else is going to be straight up USB. And then on the other side of the case, it's just a plain panel with the Omen kind of embossed there into the panel. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick look. Kind of a neat gaming desktop, budget friendly. Something like this would probably fetch just under $1,000 secondhand, so it's quite affordable. And let me show you again what that case looks like when we put the glass back on there. So it's just got a lip there on the bottom, goes in there, and then you just press it shut and it locks right into place. This case overall is a little bit smaller than some of the other competitors that we've seen here, so it is a more compact unit. So if you've got limited space, this would be a great choice. But I think the lighting is nice. The way they've laid everything out inside, it's very clean. So a great choice if you're looking for an entry-level gaming desktop or workstation. And again, this is the HP Omen 25L, engineered and designed by HP. Now if you're watching this and you've got a desktop or something that you're looking to sell and you don't want to mess with the risk and hassle of doing it on Craigslist or online, you should check out our website. JBrokers, we are a risk-free secondhand marketplace, and we buy all sorts of items, typically things over $100 in value that are easy to ship. So just like this desktop here. So if you've got something like this, be sure to check out our website. You can get an instant offer on over 2,500 different products that are common. Or if you don't see your item in our database, be sure to request a personalized offer, and a representative will get back to you within 24 hours or less. One thing our customers appreciate most about JBrokers is rain or shine, payments always go out on the next business day after receipt, and we always pay the agreed upon amount for the agreed upon item. So be sure to check us out. Thanks for watching.